swag so beyond. With the bag and the peon. Whole lot of bad, whole lot of cash. Whole lot of hoe, whole lot of ass. Young nigga, I spread. By the way, my flag. Got a beach in the bag, yeah. Play with them rats, yeah.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna be jumping right into this tutorial. So I have my pens, a measuring tape, basically same materials as last time, thread. I have these Supreme boxers where I'm going to be cutting off the band on there to create our two-piece. And I just got them for my birthday, actually. And I got a pen and some scissors, and then just two items that like some leggings and a top or dress, so I can trace it in my fabric so we can cut it out, and it'd just be easier that way. Okay, so we're going to line up all of the fabric. It's going to be like 4 layers. It should be on the ugly side. And we're going to line up the pants on the edge and just trace it. And I wanted them to be tight, so it's pretty close to the actual fit of the leggings I have. And yeah, I'm just going to be cutting that out, and we're going to have that same shape. If you guys watched my last sewing video of like the pants, you're going to be sewing along the top part to create the crotch area. So I cut them just a little bit so they're long enough. They're pretty long biker shorts for the most part, but so this is the shapes that I was talking about, the 2 little box shapes, and you pin it at the top, and then you sew that down, and then we will sew the middle in once we hem the pants. So here I'm just hemming my pants just so the bottom is clean and there's just no frayed edges. And I just quickly just folded over the fabric as I was sewing and did it. And then we're gonna sew the middle, which will be the next clip, so the pants are actually, you know, fit and they don't come off. So yeah, the middle part right there, just sew down in the middle. So once you're done with all that, these are the pants that we have right now, or the shorts. And we're going to push those aside and go ahead and work with these Supreme boxers. So basically all we're doing is cutting off the top, and I flip them inside out just so it's easier to cut. And I just wanted to cut the closest to the band, but don't cut the band. You really just want to stay along with the fabric and cut the fabric off. So it doesn't matter if it's jagged or whatever, because we're going to go back and cut the rest of the fabric off that's still there. So yeah, just cut that out, and then I ended up snipping it down the middle so we're able to line it up with the pants. And this will all make sense when you see like how I pin it together. So I measured my waist, but then I realized that the band is exactly the right length, or the right width for my waist. So I just ended up cutting off the remainder fabric that's on there, and then we're going to pin it basically upside down along the pants. So you want to sew as close to the band and pants edge as you can, and it will be attached that way. And something I made a mistake of is, while you're doing this, you kind of want to tug on the band just a little so that it's big enough, because I realized that the band was exactly the width of my waist, so I needed to tug it a little bit while I was sewing, and I kind of left it not doing that. So yeah, just make sure you do that while you're sewing. So these are the finished shorts. The only thing I wish I had done was just make them a little bit longer or high-waisted, because the way I cut my leggings made them kind of just land at my belly button, but that's okay because they're so cute. But anyway, moving on to the shirt. So basically I took a shirt that I had and fold it in half and cut that out from the remaining fabric. But since I ran out of the lightning fabric, I had to use some of the fabric from the underwear because I didn't feel like going back out to the fabric store, and I thought this was a cuter idea, but really I just made this really complicated on myself. Really what you could do is just have more fabric and just do a simple top and not do like a half and half type thing, which you guys will see me do. But yeah, basically I cut out the pattern. I did it again on the underwear fabric as well, cutting out the same shape. And then basically what I do is sew those so they are right side in, and then I connect them in the middle. So now I'm left with two sides of the shirt, and I'm just making them even by cutting the right left side. And now we're going to just sew in the middle like so. As you can see, I was attaching them in the middle, sewing a straight stitch down the middle, and that will be the front of the shirt. And then I remembered, like, oh, I need a back of the shirt. So that little strip of fabric that you guys see is about the same width as my what's it called, my ribs, and then it's about 4 inches thick. And so I just sewed that band so it would be the back, so I could attach the straps that I was going to add later on, because I realized I didn't make a back of the shirt. So yeah, you guys see how complicated I made this shirt. Like, I really could have just made a basic like crop top, but I just did all this extra shit. Anyway, so here's me attaching the straps, and I did a crisscross because, again, extra, just making sure that they would reach the little other back of the shirt part as well. And I just sewed those onto the front of the shirt, and then I also sewed it to that part of the back of the shirt as well. So after attaching all of that, now we're going to attach the waistband, doing the same type of thing. It's going to be upside down. The words are definitely be upside down because of the way it's just on there, but yeah, we're just sewing that closest to the edge of the entire shirt. So if you fold it, if you open up the shirt the way it was, you just basically sew the band along the edge. Then I just attached the back of the shirt to the front of the shirt by finally sewing the sides up, so the shirt is finally complete. Something also I forgot to say was I added the 2 straps, but I also needed to add a 3rd strap that goes across the back because of the way the underarm parts of the shirt were laid out on my chest. It just was bulky and stuff, so I had to add a little strap in the back, which you guys will see. But this is the finished product. The only thing I also wish I did was make it a little bit shorter, the shirt. Like, I wanted it to be kind of more like a bra. But yeah, that's basically what it looks like. And I'm going to turn around and y'all can see that extra strap I added. It was really easy. I just took armpit to armpit and just sewed a strap, so it was just more sturdy. But it looks so cute, and I actually will work out in it. But anyway, so now I'm moving on into my makeup, and I just want to do like a red look. So I'm not going to talk too much doing this. Y'all can just watch and enjoy the music or whatever. So yeah. But before I just be silent for the rest of this video, I just want to say the shadows I'm using are from the James Charles palette and the Juvia's Place palette. Basically 2 palettes I only own. And also the glitter I use is from Eye Candy from Morphe, or from the store basically. But yeah, that's basically all the materials I used, and I did my typical face makeup and everything like that. So yeah. So all I did for the end, just pop on a couple of crystals and some lashes on the bottom lash as well. But yeah, this is how the look turned out, and it was super cute. So I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.